So today I wanted to do something a bit different. I'm going to be doing a cooking video, and it's a super simple recipe. I'm going to show you guys my oatmeal recipe. Now it can be changed up if you don't like my ingredients. What you're going to need is some oatmeal. As you can see, I have some oatmeal in this container here. I'm using quick oats, but you can use steel cut oats if you want to. It'll just take a little longer to cook them. Some berries. Now you can use different types of berries, or you can use just one. Normally I just use one. Here's some raspberries. Doesn't matter if it's fresh or frozen. I use frozen because they last longer. You'll need some type of seed. These are chia seeds. And you'll need some type of nut. These are crushed up pecans. And you'll need some yogurt. I'm using vanilla yogurt, but you can use whatever kind you want. I'm using quick oats, so I got a bowl here that I'm going to put them in and put them in the microwave. Alright, so first I'm going to grab some oatmeal. I have a measuring cup here. And put it in the bowl. And I almost forgot, you're also going to need some water. Now I'm using bottled water because where I live the water is chlorinated. So I'm going to pour a little bit of water in it. There, that's good. Pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes. If you're using steel cut oats, of course, you're going to cook it on the stove top. Once the microwave is done, you're going to take the oatmeal out of the microwave. Be careful because it might be hot. And you're going to need 2 spoons. Now you're going to take a spoon and you're going to spoon some yogurt into your oatmeal. You might want to mix it first. I'm mixing it because this is a brand new container of yogurt. I'm putting a couple spoonfuls in. I think 3 spoonfuls is probably good. Now you're going to mix the yogurt into the oatmeal. You want to make sure that all of the oatmeal is covered in yogurt. I'm trying to turn it sideways there so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so it should look like that. It looks kind of like slop, but it tastes really, really good. Now you're going to grab your berries. I have some raspberries here. And I'm just going to grab a handful and rinse them off. And I'm just going to rinse them off in the sink here. And then put them right into the bowl. Now that's actually quite a bit of raspberries, so I'm going to leave it at that. So I just put in 1 handful of berries, and it seems to be enough, but you can put in as many as you want. Next, you're going to take your seeds and your nuts, and you're going to add them to your oatmeal. For the nuts, you're just going to open it and grab a handful. And chop them on top. Just like that. My favorite nut to use for this actually is almond. We just don't have any right at the moment. So I'm using pecan instead. This is what it looks like so far. It looks pretty good. And then for your seeds, you're just going to open a bag or the container, whatever you have them in, and grab a spoonful. And then add the spoonful to the top of your oatmeal. So that's what it looks like, and now we're going to mix it up again. So I don't know about you guys, but to me this looks really, really yummy, and this is what I eat every morning for breakfast. Now I change it up. One morning I'll have blueberries, the next I'll have raspberries, the next I'll have blackberries. One day I'll have almond, the next I'll have pecan, and then hazelnut. One day I'll have chia seeds, the next I'll have poppy seeds. You get the idea. Before I go, I just wanted to mention one other thing. Now, I'm not in that situation right now myself, but for any women out there that are either pregnant or nursing, if you eat oatmeal, it really, really helps your milk supply come in. So I just wanted to throw that out there in case anybody needs help in that regard. And it really helped me out whenever I was pregnant and when I was nursing my child. So that's my oatmeal recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.